stars from different places, and the phases we call love won't ever start to change. But do you?
Hi. Did I scare you guys? Okay, so today I'm gonna be doing the Chugyung makeup from True Beauty. If you guys follow me on Instagram, I did like a question asking if you guys watched True Beauty. So True Beauty is a Korean drama and it's based off a webtoon, and it came out last week, so there's only up to episode 2. Even though it's the second episode, everybody had so much to say about it, and it was so interesting seeing your opinions on it. And so I wanted to do a makeup look of the drama, and as you can tell, my skin does not look okay right now, and it's because I tried to kind of make my face like Chugyung before she puts on makeup. So I put like a bunch of blush and I just colored my eyebrows really dark, and it is not looking cute. I'm gonna be turning myself into a Chugyung. So first I need to take all this makeup off, so I'm gonna go do that. Now I'm here with a clean face and I already look so much better. I'm just gonna start off with skincare because my face is feeling so dry right now. I'm using the Medicube Zero Pore Pad. It's been a while since I showed my skincare, and this is what I have been using so far. I was going to make a skincare video, and then I don't know, these days I like doing like fun videos, I guess, like something interesting, feeling a little different. Like I'm feeling a little hyper for some reason, and maybe it's because it's like night right now, or maybe it's because I'm in a good mood today, not really sure. I have a pimple right here. I'm gonna go through the skincare step really quickly. I need to talk about the serum because I've been using it for a while now, and it has been such a great serum for lightening my dark spots. And I do have like a bit of sunspots on my face. It looks like freckles, but it's actually from the sun. I've been so insecure about it ever since I was like in middle school, but this has been helping a lot lately, so I've been able to go out and just not put on makeup. Today's makeup is not gonna be like those really interesting makeup looks. The makeup that Chugyung has in the drama and also in the webtoon, it's not like that drastic. So I'm just going to be talking about the drama most of the time. This is Some by Me Miracle Cream. Kind of smells weird, but other than the smell, it does a really good job moisturizing my combination skin. So today I'm doing the makeup from the cover shoot. It looks like she has like pink blush and gray brown toned eye makeup, brown contacts, light brown eyebrows, and a pink lip. For the contacts, I'm using the Olens VV Ring Brown. So this is like a slightly enlarging contacts, so it's great for daily. I think this is like one of the best contacts that Olens carries. This honestly looks so natural, and it's like just slightly enlarging. For the base, I'm using this. This is the Laneige Skin Veil Base in Pure Violet. This product does a good job brightening the skin, and that's like #1 step to Korean beauty standard. It's like bright, milky skin. So let's just talk about the first episode. I already told you guys in my Instagram story that I thought it was cringy. Since it was the first episode, I felt like it wasn't the drama that I was expecting, and I think that's why it seemed a little cringy to me. And I know that a lot of people that live in Korea thought it was cringy as well, because there was actually like an article about it, and I was like, oh my god, I felt that too. I'm sorry for spoiling this if you guys didn't watch it, but basically the whole episode 1 was she got bullied in high school for her looks, and she was about to commit suicide, and Suho saved her from doing that. And that was basically the whole point of the first episode, and I feel like it was kind of dragged on for too long, like an hour, when it could have been like just maybe like 30 minutes of the first episode, if you get what I'm saying. So next, I'm gonna get onto the skin, and I'm using this concealer for the under eye. And this is a Japanese concealer that someone gave me, but it's like a pink tone shade. I just put this on the under eye, and it does a really good job brightening the under eye. But I can already tell that with this drama, it's gonna be like start up all over again. It's gonna be Team Han Seo-jun or Suho. And right now I'm on Lee Suho's side. And then I'm gonna use this foundation. This is the YSL All Hours foundation in B05. And this is a light shade for me, so I'm just gonna try to use a little at a time. But yeah, some of you guys were saying how you want Jugyung to be with Han Seo-jun, but no, I don't think so. I also said in my story that I'm into like colder guys, and it's true. I like guys that are just like quiet and they don't really talk much. I think they're more like charismatic. But Isoo was just like straight up mean in the drama, so that's what I didn't like. Like, why does he have to be so mean? But I still like him better. I don't know why. I'm just more attracted to him. Maybe because he's good looking. And a lot of Korean people were saying that this drama is not realistic. I feel like if this drama was realistic, it just wouldn't be as fun. Sometimes when you watch the drama, don't you ever like imagine yourself as the main character? Because I think that's the whole point of watching dramas. And if it's not realistic, it's even better because you can't live that life and she's just living it for you on screen. I'm using the Innisfree No Sebum Mineral Powder. I haven't used this in so long, but this is like the OG powder that the Korean students use. I think one of the reasons why I really like the webtoon and also this drama is because I can relate to her so much, and I feel like a lot of people can relate, people that put on makeup. Basically the whole drama is about her being or feeling ugly, and then she puts on makeup and then she gets all pretty and everybody thinks she's pretty, but she just doesn't want to show the world her real side, which is the ugly side. I've at that point in life until 2 years ago that I felt that way. I did not go out without wearing makeup, and ever since I started putting on makeup, I felt so insecure without makeup. So I really feel her, like I feel the story. So the drama Jugyung has kind of like an arch brow, but the webtoon Jugyung has straight brows, so I'm gonna draw straight brows for the OG Jugyung. There were a lot of people that didn't know where to watch the drama, and the first episode I watched on Viki. It was free, but with ads. The second episode, I tried to go on Viki again, but it said I had to sign up, and I didn't want to sign up, so I just went to baykoreans.net. They have like Korean TV shows, like almost all of them. Yeah, I used that website, but it can be a difficult website to use if you don't speak Korean, because it's like all in Korean. I just recommend using Viki because I have no idea where else to watch it. I'm using this palette, and this is the Etude House Play Color Eye palette in Trenchcoat Showroom. First, I'm taking this shimmery brown shade. I'm just applying it all over the eyes, and then I'm taking this shade and then I'm applying that on the lower lash line. And then I'm gonna take this darker gray brown shade. I'm gonna apply that all over the lids. And I kind of feel like if I leave it like this color tone, it's gonna be a little too dark. So I'm gonna take this Clio Simply Pink palette. I'm just gonna take this shimmery shade and then apply that all over the lids. And then I'm taking that dark gray brown shade again, and then I'm applying it on the outer corners and also the inner corner. And then I'm taking a smaller brush and just applying it to the lower lash line. I'm using a brown eyeliner to line my eyes. Notice how when I started the makeup, I just stopped talking. And then I'm taking the Clio Kill Brown eyeliner. I'm drawing an eyeliner, but I'm gonna make the wing go straight, and that's what both Jugyung's have. Now I'm using this eyeshadow to the lower lash line. In the picture, she doesn't look like she has like any glitter, but I just feel like it's gonna be prettier to add this. And then I'm gonna be curling my lashes. And then I'm gonna be using the Dr. Mascara Fixer to my lashes and gonna add the little hair fibers to my lashes so that when I apply mascara, it's just gonna look longer. When I was watching the drama, I was so surprised to see how the girls like bullied Jugyung. And I've seen a lot of bullying in like dramas, but acting felt like so real, and I felt like I was getting bullied. I was like so shocked, but apparently in Korea bullying is like even worse than that. Like when I went to school, there was like no bullying, and I even heard that in Korea like you have to be good to your seniors, or you have to like listen to them, or like if you're just like walking, you have to like bow to them. Like I just don't understand that. But anyways, I heard school in Korea is crazy. I'm using this blush, which is the McQueen New York Love Some Blusher in baby pink, and I'm just gonna put this in the middle of my cheeks. And then for the lips, I'm using this Etude Strawberry Mousse tint in Caramel Strawberry Mousse. So I'm so excited for this part, but I'm gonna do my hair and I'm gonna change into like decent clothes and I'll be back. I just did my hair and I changed. It's kind of sad that I don't have brown hair like her, but I think this makeup look looks pretty good. And this is like a perfect school look, like Korean school girl vibes. I love it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!